Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into the fascinating world of deer farming in China. Ever wondered why millions of deer are raised every year? From their valuable antlers used in traditional medicine to the nutritious meat they provide, we'll explore every detail of this unique industry. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind deer farming and the intricate processing of antlers in factories. China is home to millions of deer, bred on large farms specifically for their antlers and meat. This industry plays a significant role in the economy and traditional medicine. But what makes deer antlers and meat so sought after? Deer farming in China is carefully managed to ensure the health and well-being of the animals. Farms are designed to provide an environment that closely resembles the deer's natural habitat, promoting their overall health and productivity. Farms are designed to provide an environment that closely resembles the deer's natural habitat. Deer are given a balanced diet that includes high-quality feed and fresh water. Regular health checkups and vaccinations help prevent diseases. Farmers select deer with desirable traits for breeding. Farms aim to minimize stress and discomfort for the deer. Regular cleaning and sanitation help prevent diseases. Fawns or young deer have distinct characteristics that differ from adult deer. At birth, they are covered in white spots that help camouflage them in their natural environment. As they grow, these spots fade and their coats change to a more uniform color. Fawns are highly dependent on their mothers for nourishment and protection during their early months. They gradually start eating solid food and foraging as they mature. The gating period refers to the time when deer antlers are fully matured and ready for harvesting. Typically, this period occurs annually, and the exact timing can vary depending on the deer's age and species. Farmers closely monitor the antlers to ensure they are harvested at the optimal time to maximize their quality and value. Proper management during this period is crucial to ensure the sustainability of antler production. The process of harvesting deer antlers is both precise and delicate. Farmers wait until the antlers are fully grown before removing them. This is because mature antlers have the best quality and are most valuable. Antlers are harvested when fully grown for the best quality. Gentle handling minimizes stress. Only the best antlers are selected for further processing. Deer are allowed to naturally regrow their antlers. Antler harvesting typically occurs once a year during the late summer to early fall, when the antlers are fully mature. This season is carefully chosen to ensure that the antlers are at their peak quality. Farmers plan the harvesting process to minimize stress on the deer and maximize the quality of the antlers. The timing of the harvesting season is crucial for maintaining a sustainable supply of high-quality antlers. After the antlers are harvested, they are sent to factories for processing. The first step in the factory is cleaning. The antlers are thoroughly washed to remove any dirt or impurities. The antlers are thoroughly washed. This is done in special drying rooms where conditions are controlled. Antlers are ground into a fine powder used in various products. The antlers may also be cut and processed into other forms, such as capsules or extracts. Cleaning and drying are critical steps in the processing of deer antlers. After harvesting, antlers are thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt, blood, or other impurities. They are then placed in drying rooms where the conditions are carefully controlled to ensure even drying. This process helps preserve the antlers and prepare them for further processing, such as grinding or cutting. Cleaning and drying are critical steps in the processing of deer antlers. After harvesting, antlers are thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt, blood, or other impurities. They are then placed in drying rooms where the conditions are carefully controlled to ensure even drying. This process helps preserve the antlers and prepare them for further processing, such as grinding or cutting. After antlers are harvested, they are treated with antiseptics to prevent infection and maintain their quality. This treatment involves cleaning the antlers thoroughly and applying antiseptic solutions to any areas that may have been exposed or damaged during the harvesting process. Proper antiseptic treatment helps ensure that the antlers remain in good condition throughout the processing stages. Processed deer antlers are used in a variety of products. In traditional Chinese medicine, they are often used as ingredients in remedies designed to boost energy, support the immune system, and improve joint health. Remedies designed to boost energy, support the immune system, and improve joint health. Antler powder is popular for health and vitality. Antler extracts are used in some skincare products. Decorative items. used in traditional crafts. Deer meat or venison is a key ingredient in many traditional dishes, especially in regions where deer farming is common. It is often used in hearty stews, roasts, and sausages. Its rich flavor and lean quality make it a popular choice for those seeking a nutritious and flavorful alternative to other types of meat. Venison is also featured in festive and special occasion meals, reflecting its significance in traditional cuisine. Deer meat, also known as venison, is another valuable product from deer farming. The meat is known for being lean and nutritious, with a rich flavor that many people enjoy. After harvesting, the meat is processed in facilities adhering to strict hygiene standards. Venison is used in various dishes, such as steaks, roasts, sausages, and jerky. Once processed, deer antlers are carefully packed for distribution. The packing process involves placing the antlers or their products into containers that protect them from damage during transportation. Proper packing ensures that the antlers reach their destination in excellent condition, ready for use in various products. Deer farming has seen notable growth in recent years due to the increasing demand for deer antlers and meat. Advances in farming techniques and management practices have contributed to this growth. The industry is expanding not only in China, but also in other countries, as more people recognize the benefits of deer products. This growth is supported by continuous research and development to enhance deer farming practices and product quality. Deer farming in China is regulated to ensure that it is done in an environmentally friendly and ethical manner. Farms are required to follow practices that minimize their impact on the environment. Efforts are made to maintain the balance between farming activities and local ecosystems. Regulations ensure humane treatment and high living standards for the deer. The market for deer antlers and venison is substantial, with a significant demand both locally in China and internationally. Deer antlers are highly valued in traditional Chinese medicine for their perceived health benefits. They are used in various products, including supplements, tonics, and skincare items. Venison, or deer meat, is sought after for its rich flavor and lean nutritional profile. Both products are marketed through specialized stores and online platforms, catering to health-conscious consumers and culinary enthusiasts. Fawns, or young deer, have distinct characteristics. At birth, they are covered in white spots that fade as they grow. Initially dependent on their mothers, they start eating solid food and foraging as they mature. Deer antlers hold a significant place in traditional Chinese medicine. These antlers are believed to have numerous health benefits that make them highly valuable. People have used them for centuries, and their demand continues to grow. Deer antlers are prized for their potential to enhance overall health and stamina. Strengthening the immune system. They are thought to help the body fight off illnesses and recover more quickly. Antlers are used in treatments for conditions like arthritis, offering relief and improved mobility. They contain minerals and compounds beneficial for the body. The collection of antlers is done in a way that ensures the deer population is not harmed. Deer farming in China is a well-organized industry that produces valuable antlers and meat. From the careful management of the deer to the detailed processing of antlers, each step is designed to ensure high quality and sustainability. The industry supports traditional medicine and provides nutritious meat, contributing to both local and global markets. With its focus on ethical practices and environmental responsibility, deer farming continues to thrive, meeting the growing demand for these valuable products. Thanks for watching. We hope you enjoyed this look into the world of deer farming in China and the detailed process of antler production. If you found this video interesting, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fascinating content. Share your thoughts and questions in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. See you in the next video.